If you're looking for the perfect present, then look no further than one of RiiRoo's latest. The Aprilia licensed 12V battery electric ride-on motorbike is the latest addition to our ride-on motorbike range. If you have ever been up close to the real thing, then you'll surely appreciate the attention to detail that this little beauty has. It's suitable for children of up to 7 years of age or up to 122 cm in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. Rear suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The adjustable suspension allows you to fine-tune the ride comfort for your child. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child. Just look at the attention to detail of the brake discs. Foot accelerator with an auto brake on release function. Forward and reverse gears. The bike has realistic race slick tyres, giving it that authentic superbike look. Padded leather style seats. As we take a look around, you'll notice the attention to detail and excellent styling of this bike. Removable safety stabilisers for those that have transitioned to just riding the bike with two wheels. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.